Welcome to Straight Up Math, a channel where I deliver a math concept as simple as possible. If you'd like to try similar problems seen in the video, I've included a link to practice problems in the description below. When you practice, be sure to check your answers. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them in the comments section. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and send me suggestions on other problems you'd like to see. In this video, we're going to factor these binomials using the difference of two squares. And that is because if you look around on all these problems, all we have are perfect squares minus a perfect square. And so you need to make sure that you have that to begin with first before you use this method. And we do. So let's go ahead and get started with 16x squared minus 9y squared. And so I'm just going to set up my parentheses, and I'm going to take the square root of 16, which is 4 and 4. Square root of x squared is going to be x and x. Square root of 9 is going to be 3 and 3. And the square root of y squared is y. So I put the y and the y. And then I just go plus minus. Make sure that those signs are opposite of each other. All right, so b. Let's do b. 81 x to the 8th minus 121 y squared. All right, I'm going to set up my parentheses here. And I'm going to take the square root of 81, which is 9, and 9. Square root of x to the 8th is just x to the 4th. X to the 4th. And then the square root of 121, that's 11. And 11 there. And the square root of y squared is y. And y. So I did plus minus up here. I'm going to do a minus plus down here because, like I said in other videos, it doesn't matter what order you have these in, just make sure that they're opposite signs. So here we go with c. 4x squared minus 81y squared is equal to, and set up my parentheses, and the square root of 4 is 2 and 2. The square root of x squared is x and x. The square root of 81 is 9 and 9. And the square root of y squared is y and y. And just make sure these signs are opposite, plus minus, and we're all set. Visit our website to practice more problems like the ones you saw in the video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.